Welcome to BarEl Software. In a moment, I'll demonstrate how BarEl Software helps in calculating confidence interval and standard error of proportion. Please watch and listen attentively. Here's a question. A surgeon in a referral hospital is investigating acute appendicitis in people age 70 and above. He examines the hospital case notes over the previous 15 years and finds that of 150 patients in this age group with a diagnosis confirmed at operation, 93 or 0.66 or 66% were women, and 57 0.3357 blah 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 or 34% were men. Calculate the standard error of each of proportions or percentages. So we have to calculate the confidence interval using single proportion given margin of error. Now, calculating confidence interval using proportion and standard of error calculated. Point of estimate in this case, which the mean is 0.664286. Sample sizes 150. Let us say the significance level is 0.025. So the confidence interval in this case is 0.588 on the lower limit and upper limit on the top is 0.739 blah blah blah. Let us have a look at the report. Thank you very much for watching and listening attentively.